Glass shower doors enhance your bathroom's style and make cleaning simpler by providing a smooth surface. But sometimes cleaning glass shower doors can be a challenging task due to the buildup of soap scum, water stains, and grime. Using simple and effective methods, you can make this task much easier and more efficient. Dish soap effectively cuts through grease and soap scum, making it ideal for cleaning glass shower doors. Firstly, pour half a cup of white vinegar into a measuring cup and microwave it for 1 minute. Then transfer the vinegar to a spray bottle and add some Dawn dish soap. Mix the solution very well, ensuring the vinegar and soap are completely combined. Spray the mixture all over the glass shower door and let it sit for 10 minutes. Next, use a damp cloth to wipe the shower door, spreading the solution evenly across the glass. Rinse the door with normal water using a watering can, and then remove the excess water with a squeegee. This effective method will help you easily clean your glass shower doors. Vinegar dissolves mineral deposits and soap scum, leaving glass shower doors sparkling clean. Put equal quantities of water and vinegar into a spray bottle. Spray the mixture thoroughly over the glass shower door, and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, use a non-scratch sponge to rub the glass shower door effectively. After you finish rubbing, clean the door with a squeegee. This method will help you easily clean your glass shower door. Salt acts as a mild abrasive that helps scrub away stubborn stains and grime on glass shower doors. Take a bowl and add 2 cups of salt, 1 cup of baking soda, and 1 cup of dish soap. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Apply this mixture all over the glass shower door and leave it for a few minutes. Then clean the door with a wet, soft cloth until all the stubborn stains and soapy scum are removed. This method will help you to achieve a stain-free glass shower door. Hard water stain removers dissolve stubborn mineral deposits, restoring clarity and preventing future buildup. They keep glass surfaces looking like new. BioClean Hard Water Stain Remover effectively eliminates tough stains from your glass shower door. Apply BioClean Hard Water Stain Remover directly to the stained area. Use a sponge to gently scrub the surface, focusing on the stains. Let it sit for a few minutes for tougher stains, then rinse thoroughly with water. Clean excess water with a squeegee, and then wipe the surface with a microfiber cloth to remove any residue and restore shine. With this product, your glass shower door will look like new. By using simple methods and right products, you will easily clean your glass shower door.